Introducing the AIMCO AUET-250 Torque Tester, a versatile and reliable tool designed to accurately measure torque values ranging from 25.0 to 250.0 in lb. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision with user-friendly features to meet the demands of various assembly and testing applications. With a broad measurement range of 25.0 to 250.0 in lb, the AUET-250 caters to a multitude of torque testing requirements, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and production processes. Its multiple transducer models offer flexibility, allowing you to choose from a combination of two standard transducers ranging from 100 in-Oz to 1,600 inch-pounds to suit your specific testing needs. The AUET-250 provides 3 processing modes for torque signals, enabling users to select the most appropriate method for their application. Capture the highest torque peak, record the first torque peak, or monitor all torsional strain applied to the transducer in real time. Additionally, the pulse mode is specifically designed for testing hydraulic pulse tools, accurately recording the peak value achieved during the tool's operation. The AUET-250 enables data output to computers or serial printers via serial communication, facilitating data analysis and documentation. Its internal memory can store up to 999 data points, and it offers statistical calculations such as X-bar, STD deviation, CP, and CPK. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AIMCO AUET-250 Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, multiple transducer options, and diverse processing modes make it an invaluable tool for assembly and testing professionals. Invest in the AUET-250 and experience precision, versatility, and reliability in torque measurement.